You have the power to change your mind, to change your life, and to change your world. That is the overarching intention of the shaman. And what surges through you is the yearning, the intentionality, the soul's purpose towards your own growth and creation, so that you can harmonize in abundance with your life and with your purpose. When you talk about the shaman, what are we talking about? We're talking about someone who, when they like what's happening, they make it better, and when they don't, they change it. This is a philosophy for successful living, that once you integrate and understand and make a part of your daily existence, you will be able to do the same thing as well.